I've been meaning to tell you. So, surprise!
Hey. If we only could talk just a little, find a place where the past is forgiven. You moved on, I am stuck in the middle. Tried to run, but there's nowhere to go. Even in my sleep, I'm calling out your name, but I never wanted things to be this way, this way.
Hey guys, so I'm going to show you what I eat in a day in this vlog, as well as just do like a normal daily vlog. But for breakfast, I'm just making a little, I guess, like breakfast burrito. So I just take an egg and I break the yolk and kind of scramble it in the pan. I add some salt, pepper, and then I get a tortilla and I put some cheese on it and I heat that up in the microwave because I like my cheese to be very melted. And then I add some hot sauce and I'm actually using Taco Bell mild sauce because that's what I have, and it wasn't bad, actually. It was pretty good. And then I go ahead and wrap it in some aluminum foil and I take it in the car with me. That way I can kind of eat it on the go. And on this day I had some errands to run after I dropped Kinsley off at preschool, so I put it in the car and I was able to eat it after I dropped her off and on my way to the store, and it was still hot. So that's just a little tip for you guys. So here is my little cutie. She was sitting at the breakfast bar area watching me cook my breakfast, and I was trying to convince her to eat her pancakes, but she ended up eating them in the car on the way to school.
Who am I without stories that aren't mine? What I did to achieve you gave me air.
So I just went to Starbucks and got a vanilla iced coffee, and I don't go to Starbucks a whole lot, and so their menu like stresses me out because I don't understand half of the things, and I feel like half the things you order on their menu are like secret anyways. They have like a secret menu. But I had sweet subscribers send me a gift card, and I do like Starbucks, but I just don't go there a lot. I'm over here, I'm gonna go into Target and check out their dollar spot, and I got a vanilla iced coffee. That's my text messages. I was like, I just want a tall vanilla iced coffee. And she's like, okay, well, do you want it classic or something else? And I was like, I just want a vanilla iced coffee. And so like she had to go through all these things with me, and I was like, I'm really confused, but just whatever you think is best. And she gave it to me and she was like, taste it and make sure you like it, and which was sweet, and it's good. So I just thought it was funny. I feel stupid when I go through the Starbucks drive-through. I was actually surprised that our Target had quite a few things on their dollar spot. They definitely had some cute stuff, and I did pick up some and I did a little kind of mini haul video for you guys, and that will be up soon, so be looking for that.
And if I'd seen her then and there, I would have asked her to be mine. Ooh, something to talk about. Ooh, someone to dream about. I'm going home alone with only trouble on my mind. I've roamed the streets 1,000 times, but a girl is hard to find. I've learned my lesson oh so well. There's only one thing I have found. When nothing else remains to do, you should just stick to your own kind. Ooh, something to talk about. Ooh, someone to dream about. Ooh, something to talk about.
So now I'm back home and it's lunchtime and I'm making one of my Home Chef meals. You guys have heard me talk about Home Chef a lot on my channel, and that is because I'm literally obsessed with them. But one thing you haven't heard me talk a whole lot about is they actually have 5-minute lunches on there. So I have been getting them. Last week I got a baked potato, and who knew, but they put hot sauce in there, so it was like a loaded baked potato and then it had hot sauce, and now it's like my new thing. And so that's one thing I love about them, is like teaches me new recipes and stuff. But this one was like a chicken barbecue wrap, and they send you all the ingredients that you need pre-portioned. It's super healthy. This is a great idea for someone who works outside of the home, or like your husband. You really don't need anything, a microwave maybe, to do it, but it takes literally 5 minutes to make one. And I will tell you, it's not something that when you sign up, you're like committed to it or anything. You can skip meals whenever you want, or you can even pause the service entirely if you want to. So what I do is I normally will go on when I'm doing my meal planning, and I will pick about 4 meals. And so I will just look at the menu and see if that week has something that looks good. And if it does, I will order it. And if it doesn't, I just skip it. But they do have 2 times more options than any other meal kit delivery service out there. So I do love that about them, because I've said before, me and the girls are so picky. So I like that they have so many options. So something I haven't really mentioned about Home Chef before, and I know some of you guys will probably be interested in it, but they do have special diet options, like if you're a vegetarian, so you can get meals that don't have meat, which I think is really cool. I'm not a vegetarian, but I know a lot of people are, so if it was something that you were like not interested in before because you thought it wouldn't apply to you, they definitely have special diet options. So at least go on their website and check it out. You can look at their food and see what they have to offer, and you can even look at the cards and read the instructions for each meal and kind of get an idea of if it's something you even want to fool with. Sometimes I will go on and look at the ingredients list to see what's actually in the recipe, because I am so picky, and then I can kind of decide from there if it's something I want to try. So if you're interested in checking out Home Chef, they do give me a coupon code for you guys to get $30 off your first order, which is a really good deal. So it's a nice way to check out the service and see if it's something that you even want to do. But just check out the description box and I'll have all the information there for you so you can easily go look at their website. I've been meaning to tell you. So, surprise! I'm not pregnant. I got these for my hair. I remember when I took prenatals with the girls, my hair just seemed so much nicer. So I figured I would try that again. And these are the Vitafusion gummies, natural raspberry lemonade. So I'll try them right now and see if they're good. Yeah, so I'm not pregnant, but okay, just kidding. I'll open them later because I need for a second. Just like I used to do, girl, what happened? So I did film a Target haul separately, so be on the lookout for that, or it may actually already be live, I'm not sure, so definitely check my channel either way. But after I had lunch, Kinsley was still at school obviously, so this is the time that I take to get some work done. Work entails answering emails, looking over and signing contracts, planning for certain videos, and editing. That takes up a lot of my time, so that's what I'm doing here. So it's obviously several hours later. I had went and picked Kinsley up from school, and Maddie came home from school, and now it was dinner time. And I've been trying to watch what I eat, and I know that I'm not overweight, but I definitely have some body fat that I want to lose. So with the Home Chef, that's been helping because their meals are so healthy and calorie conscious. But I've also been doing this on my own. So I just got my little grill, and I got a chicken breast, and I'm grilling that. I just put salt, pepper, and garlic seasoning on it, and I love to cut up carrots and bake those. That's another thing that Home Chef taught me, because I did not know that I loved carrots, and I literally love them this way. So I'm happy about that because it's really healthy. So I put them in for about 20 minutes, and I did cut up some green onions. I know that's kind of weird, but I really like them. So I just chopped those up and put them with my chicken, and it ended up being really good. So the clip you're about to see, I decided to leave it in, take the music off, turn the real volume, the real audio that was recorded when I was filming this, and let you guys see what's going on. It's really cute and relaxing with all this music and editing, but you're about to see what it's like before I edit it. So now back to the nice, relaxing, and much funner to watch part. But my kids are constantly fighting, and it baffles me because Madeline is 11 and Kinsley is 4. Madeline looked at me and said, but Kinsley stuck her tongue out at me. And I said, Madeline, you're 11. She's 4. Like, you should know better. But yeah, they're always fighting, and I wanted to include that and let you guys see how it really is. So after dinner, I cleaned up the kitchen, and I had to get some more work done, unfortunately, and Kinsley was not happy about that. So she came and sat in my lap for a little bit, and then she begged me to come snuggle in, so I ended up doing that. Right then, the bell rang, and my daughter hugged the toys inside, all mine. The rest of the class can go out for recess, Mrs. Raptor said. You will stay here until you clean up this mess. You got it? You're right. The dinos rolled their eyes. Finally, Triceratops said, let's go, guys. I don't need them anyway, said the Minosaur. The Minosaur wanted to laugh and play too, so he gathered up all the stuff that was his and headed towards the dinos.
What if I turn the pin?
Okay. The Minosaur tried, saying, please? I brought some toys, I'll give you these. My friends, you're mine. Mine, mine, mine. The end. No. Mom's gonna put your clothes up and then it's bedtime, so go get in your bed. You can look at the pictures while I'm putting your clothes up, okay? Are you in bed, princess? Are you ready for bed? Huh? Such a pretty girl. Alright, you got your humidifier thing, and you have to brush your teeth.
Can you set some water for me?
Oh. Hey Google, wake me up at 6 a.m.
Done. Your alarm's set for tomorrow at 6 a.m.
Alright. Good night, I love you.
What I did to achieve you, Gave me air, thought I had to. I'm untrue, it's not pretty.